Hey guys, it's Danny here. How you doing today? I am back with my Ender 3 doing the rigid shop vac custom part now. I told you guys yesterday when I did my first video that Shep told us when we started, if we want to make any money, to try to do custom parts. Don't steal ideas from anybody else unless they're okay with it, then it's okay. But what I'm doing is making a prototype, and then I'll enlarge it or shrink it whatever way I need to go to make it fit the part that I need it to fit. But anyhow, so I am using the iPhone SE today from Spectrum Mobile to do my full video. It is amazing. The sound quality is better than my iPad, my new 7th gen iPad. It seems like it's great. Like, I haven't had any problems out of it. And I mean, the picture's crystal clear. I mean, it's as clear as one of the high dollar cameras. So, I mean, yeah, I enjoy this. But I wanted to tell you guys, last night after I finished the video with you guys, I started another print with Boogie from Nightmare Before Christmas. I had told you that the corner peeled up and caused it to, I had to throw it away. So earlier today, I was sleeping because I was up late. I got up, I come out here, and oh my gosh, there was a mess. There was a giant mess out here from where I had on Tinkercad made an extra square off the grid, and it was my printer was trying to print off the grid, and it had covered the whole. It was bad. The nozzle was full. But that's the thing, like, without hiccups, you can't fix it. And you're more than likely, unless you take your machine and throw it on the ground, you're not going to do nothing you can't fix, you know. And that's the thing. Like, that's what I want to give encouragement about and teach about, because there's nothing on this machine here that you really cannot fix. There's nothing on it that can't be ordered and fixed and upgraded. There's upgraded parts for it, and you can fix it however you would like it. I mean, pretty much. Like, I don't know if you can see that there. I got the wood. I chose to do the wood. Everybody does the blue and red. I did the wood cover over the circuit board in the back, the display cover case. And so I haven't did all the upgrades yet. I need to do something with this right here, because it's kind of aggravating. It's in the way a lot, and it rubs it. Right now you can see it's rubbing against my part as it comes back through. Now, it don't really mess it up, but I mean, just a little calibration could mess something up, especially if it's a tedious design, like something that's real, got a lot of detail to it. So I need to get that put up. I'm gonna get on Thingiverse and print off or download the G code for the chain that takes it all the way back. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is I'll be checking in every day, doing a video for you guys on your 3D printer. I got a Tornado TiVo to try out, and I'm gonna be pairing up with GearBest, like Shep and Dylan and these guys, to do a little reviewing of products. It could be computers, or I mean, a number of things. So as I get them, I'll get on here and do my reviews and see what you guys like, and I hope I can help you a little bit. And if you guys need me to help with teaching anything, or you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to shoot me a message. If I can't figure it out, like I said last night, I got buddies that can help me figure it out, and I got large communities that can help me figure it out. So don't feel like and nobody's ever gonna make fun of you or call you stupid or any of that stuff on here. Not on my channel. I won't allow it. So just go ahead, and if you have any questions, it doesn't matter how stupid you think it is. Believe me, I've done stupider. But alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and check out. I might post another video when this part's completely done, so you guys can see what it looks like. I don't want to just keep you guys on here, but I wanted to just touch base and let everybody know, I'm up and printing today, and everything's going good. And I wanted to show you the video with the iPhone, and I'm going to shoot that to Spectrum so they can see it. And then I also wanted to remind you guys to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because at 10,000, at 10,000, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, pick all the names out, and I'm going to randomly pick one winner of the Ender 3 Pro. And that will be, I'm going to see if I can't get another one later on to do a bigger CR10 when I get 20,000 subscribers. So let's just go ahead and keep hitting the subscribe, following, and watching. And like I said, take the Sasquatch foot and stomp the like button. Have a nice day.